Welcome everybody to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix this problem that you have right now on your Zoom. So let's learn how to do it. So what you should do is to open the settings of your device. Click at the apps option and right now go directly click or search for Zoom here. Click on Zoom. Come click add storage, click clear cache, and back now, click force stop and click here OK. So what you have to do now, click on the battery, turn on it on optimized mode, turn on your airplane mode and turn off it next. Come to Play Store or App Store, update your Zoom, restart your mobile phone, and that's it. Guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And bye.